It's in the... There it is. Nipples are here.
I'm John Opper, and you're watching Sliding with Sasquatch. Hey everybody, I'm John Opper, and you're sliding with Sasquatch. Today, I'm going to be building an automated watering system for my chickens. The gravity system I have now is deteriorated, and I need to make a new one. So this one I'm going to make where I don't have to go out and turn the faucet on, and every 2 days or so to fill it up. I'm going to use a toilet valve to fill the bucket up. Noise in the background you hear is not World War III. It is a World War II reenactment group. They go around the country kind of giving the historical life of what it was like to be an armored division. So tanks, machine guns, all that kind of stuff. Is a bit excessive, but I only got so much time to do videos and got to take advantage of the time I got. So enjoy the noise, and I hope you enjoy my project. You're sliding with Sasquatch. Just a basic universal toilet fill valve. Gonna drill a hole, put it in the bottom of the bucket, stick that in there, hook PVC pipe up, and then as the chickens drink and the water supply drips down, it should fill it up. I'm using the little nipples on a little PVC. I made that up earlier. I hope it works. Going on vacation and leaving chickens without water is not no good. That's what we're working on today, watering for them. 2 inches off the sides looks like it might work good. Just gonna use a knife here, kind of clean up the burrs. All right, let's see how that fits in there. Right in the hole. It didn't run the threads up far enough. I can't tighten it down enough. Just can't get this tight enough. The bucket's too thin for this to work, so I'm gonna have to make a washer to go on the bottom. Big chickens are in town. Oh, don't eat the paint flakes. Get out of here. Get out of here. Don't the chip. Get up here. I've made myself a washer using different size hole saw bits, and an old truck flap. Change out the bit. Burn through. Instant washer. Let's get back to fabrication. Oh, you suckers. I'm gonna shoot your... Get out of the garage. Get out of this garage. Get out of there. Get. Okay, one thing you'll notice on this is you can actually adjust the depth of this. So I want this to hold as much water as possible. I don't want to keep just like 5 inches at the bottom, so it's always... So I'm going to see how far I can crank this thing out. 13 inches. Back just a little bit. Make sure it still fits in the... Yeah. See, now that it's right at the top of the bucket. Pull that through. Put my washer on. That'll space it enough to where I can tighten the nut down on the toilet fill valve. I'm going to take these nipples, rather than taking this old PVC and running it into the bottom and running this down and just having this bar of water, why not just do it out of the bottom of the bucket? All right,
a simpler system is a more efficient and should work just fine. Okay, got a nipple and a 3/8 drill bit. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Automatic filler, 5-gallon paint bucket. Inside, autofill, no worries. Decent. When you go on vacation, not only do they need water, but they'll need food. So there's an automated, gravity-fed food dispensing system. PVC, you can see how it's built. Very easy, works very well. Is the bottom of the toilet tank is not the same size as your typical garden hose. It's a 7/8 end, so I had to run down to my Ace Hardware, got a toilet supply line, 7/8 inch female end to a 1/2 inch end. I didn't get the 3/8, I got the 1/2 inch, and then I bought a little brass 3/4 inch female with a 1/2 inch male, and I just screwed it on the end. Run my garden hose over. Turn on the water. As you can see, nipples are here. Water flowing freely. Well, there you have it. A toilet supply valve automated chicken watering device. 5-gallon bucket, braided line, brass reducer, toilet supply valve, and little nipples from Tractor Supply. And now, hands-free. No worries about me forgetting to water them, and I can go on vacation and not worry about watering them. So, I hope it works for you. My name's John Opper, and you've been sliding with Sasquatch.